What's up, people? It's Tuesday and it's 8 o'clock. So you know what that means. Real estate out the box. I have another program that I want to showcase to you all today. But first, let me go into why I do this every week. All right. There's a lot of people that feel like if you're going to buy something real estate, if you're going to sell something real estate, that it can only be done a certain way. So every week I come on, give people an opportunity to ask me questions, comment on the new programs and resources and strategies that I present for people that want to buy and for people that want to sell that most people don't know about. These non-traditional items. I post one every week on live, and on Tuesdays at 8 and on Thursdays at 8, I jump on here for some minutes to see if anybody has any questions, comments, want to talk through any of the things that I've presented. I have a treasure chest of valuable resources and tools that I get on a regular basis. I have over 60 of these things now that cover the gambit as it relates to buyers and sellers, right? So the one that I want to talk about today, it's actually an organization that's been around for a very long time. It literally is the best loan product in the market. And for decades, it's been the very best loan product in the market. I mean, the lowest interest rate, no closing costs, no down payment. I don't even think you have to pay for the appraisal. You might not have to pay for the inspection. It is the best mortgage product in the market, and it's been like that for decades. And for you all that may not be familiar with the Neighborhood Corporation, the Neighborhood Association Corporation of America, also known as NACA. That is the product that I'm going to showcase today. So let's jump into it, and let's see what I have right here. NACA. What does it say? No down payment, zero. No closing costs, no mortgage insurance, no consideration of credit score, right? No perfect credit score required, below market interest rate. It's NACA. The whole reason that this organization was founded was because of a settlement from some of the biggest banks as it related to predatory lending. And NACA won $1 billion settlement. So they are funded by some of the biggest banks. And they're required to cover all of these expenses, which makes this product such a great product to tap into for when it comes to home attainability. So NACA, the NACA Neighborhood Association Corporation of America, right? It is an extensive process, so I'm gonna be candid with you. It's not one of those things that comes easy. It takes time to get through it, all right? Because they want to make sure that once you get your house, you ain't got to worry about it. All right, let me see. I think I have another slide that helps me out here. Here's another one. Best mortgage in America. They mean that, right? It deals with multiple property types, so existing, purchase, new construction, 1 to 4 units. So even multifamily, like you can literally get a duplex, triplex, fourplex, as long as you're living in one of the units. Condos, co-ops, mixed, all of that. No down payment required. The lender, right? Remember I told you they won the settlement on these major banks. So the lender is responsible for paying the closing costs. Below market fixed rate interest rates. 30-year fixed rate or 15-year fixed rate. Says the funds can permanently reduce the interest rate. No application fee, no points fees. Credit score is not considered, right? You can even buy a property and repair it, and they'll put the funds aside to you. They even have a program that does that. I mean, it's an amazing program. So if you want to learn more about NACA, you want to learn more about their program, we are certified realtors, If we can help with people that are interested in going through this loan product, so we can definitely educate you more on what they're providing, what they're offering, how to get started, to learn more about the program. But it is definitely an asset in the marketplace to help more people attain home ownership. We can definitely say that. So it's NACA. Again, if you have questions about it, reach out to me. You can connect with me in the DMs, or you can, if you have any comments, I'll be back on here on Thursday. We're going to talk a little bit more about NACA, see if anybody has any questions around it, any questions about it. They actually have an office on the north side. They participate in our real estate summit every year, so shout out to them for that. We've helped people through the NACA process. And again, I got no bones about it. It's the best mortgage product that's in the marketplace. Nobody can beat them. No interest rate, no circumstances, no situation. I remember we even participated one time. They had a major conference that they brought down here. It was in the George R. Brown. And they were helping people on the spot, proving people on the spot. They were, when people, another thing about NACA is that if you get into challenges with, paying for your home, or you get into trouble with the lenders, they have a credit counseling part that they work with to help people keep their homes. So they're solid, right? They are definitely solid. All right. So we'll hang out for a little bit longer, see if anybody has any questions, anybody jumps on, has any questions about NACA. We can definitely fill those questions for you. Again, this is something that I do every Tuesday and Thursday. So if somebody doesn't come on live here, that's cool, because it's IG. You can just reach out to me in my DMs after you watch it. If you have questions, you can message me after you watch it. So with that being said, that's what we're showcasing for today. Again, it's a real estate out the box. The reason I do it every week is because there are some people that feel like the only way that you can buy a home, you have to fit certain parameters, right? You got to add 20% down. You got to have a 700 credit score. You got to be at your job for 2 years. And that is just not the case. There are many, many methods, programs, resources, tools, strategies that you can employ to not only buy a house that's outside the box, or what's the perceived box, as well as sell. So that's what we do, and that's what I do every week. All right, family, y'all have a good one. Again, y'all know how to find me, get at me, and we will talk to you soon.